One little kid jumps so high, touching the clouds in the sky, laughs and giggles as they run, playing outside, oh what fun. Two kids dancing in a row, spinning around nice and slow, clapping hands and tapping feet. Two kids make the rhythm sweet. Three kids running down the street, tiny shoes on tiny feet, racing fast, 1, 2, 3, laughing together, wild and free. Four kids painting with bright red, drawing circles and hearts instead, colors flying everywhere. Four kids creating art to share. Five kids sitting in a line, waiting for the bell to chime, counting numbers with a grin. Five kids ready to begin. Six kids play with toys and blocks, building castles, ticking clocks, working together side by side. Six kids beam with so much pride. Seven kids jumping on the ground, up and down, round and round, reaching high with joyful glee. Seven kids as happy as can be. Eight kids singing songs so loud, voices flying like a cloud, hands in the air, smile so wide. Eight kids singing with great pride. Nine kids playing hide and seek, finding spots quiet and sleek, searching here, hiding there. Nine kids giggling everywhere. 10 kids in a big long line, counting up and feeling fine. One by one, they all shout. 10 kids ready to count out loud.